Good morning and welcome back to the next video on theory of computation. In this video, we are going to look at the third example on NFA to DFA conversion. In this, we have to design a DFA equivalent to the given NFA. The NFA is represented by the transition table shown below. So Q0 is the initial state and Q3 is the final state. Q0 on getting A as input transit either to Q0 or Q1, and Q0 on getting B as input transit either to Q0 or Q2. Q1 on getting A as input transit to Q3. Q1 on getting B as input, there is no transition. Q2 on getting A as input transit nowhere, whereas Q2 on getting B as input transit to Q3. Q3 on getting A as input goes to Q3, and Q3 on getting B as input goes to Q3. So Q3 is a final state, hence it cannot be a dead state. Now to convert this NFA to an equivalent DFA, we again construct another transition table wherein the initial state of the DFA will be the initial state of the NFA, given NFA, right? So we make Q0 as the initial state, and Q0 on A in case of NFA can go either to Q0 or Q1. So we merge these two states to form a new state in the DFA. So Q0 on A in case of DFA goes to a new state Q0 Q1, whereas Q0 on B in case of NFA goes to either Q0 or Q2. So we again merge these two states in the DFA to form a new state as Q0 Q2, right? Then the next state in the DFA will be the new state which is obtained in the next state column. So here the next state is Q0 Q1. So we write it in the current state or the present state column as Q0 Q1, and the transition for this Q0 Q1 state will be obtained from the NFA table. So Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, or Q1 on A goes to Q3. So Q0 Q1 on A will goes to a combination of these three states. So the new state will be Q0 Q1 Q3. So Q0 Q1 on getting A as input goes to Q0 Q1 Q3. Then Q0 on B in case of NFA goes to either Q0 or Q2, and Q1 on B has no transition. So Q0 Q1 in case of DFA on getting B as input goes to combination of this. So it goes to a new state Q0 Q2. Then the next state in the present state column that is to be added will be the state which is not added from the next state column, and over here we have not added Q0 Q2. So the next state will be Q0 Q2. Then Q0 Q2 on A, the next state will be obtained from the NFA table. So Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, whereas Q2 on A has no transition. So Q0 Q2 in DFA on A will go to Q0 Q1, a new state, right? Then Q0 Q2 on B goes to Q0 on B in case of NFA goes to Q0 Q2, and Q2 on B goes to Q3. So in case of DFA, Q0 Q2 on getting B as input will go to a combination of Q0 Q2 and Q3, a new state that will be combination of Q0 Q2 and Q3. So the next state in the present state column shall be Q0 Q1 Q3. So now Q0 Q1 Q3 on A, the next state will be obtained from the NFA table. So Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, Q1 on A goes to Q3, and Q3 on A goes to Q3. So in the equivalent DFA, Q0 Q1 Q3 on A transit to a state which is combination of all these states. So it will be Q0 Q1 and Q3, right? Similarly, Q0 Q1 Q3 on getting B as input goes to a combination of Q0 on B goes to Q0 Q2, Q1 on B goes to nowhere, and Q3 on B goes to Q3. So it will go to Q0 Q2 Q3. So Q0 Q1 Q3 on getting B will go to a new state Q0 Q2 Q3. So now the next state which is not available in the present state column from the next state column is, so this is there Q0 Q1, Q0 Q2 is there, Q0, Q1, Q3 is there, Q0, Q2 is there, Q0, Q1 is there, Q0, Q2, Q3. So this is not there. So the next state will be Q0, Q2 and Q3. Then Q0, Q2, Q3 on A goes to a combination of this state. So Q0 on A goes to Q0, Q1, Q2 on A goes to nowhere, and Q3 on A goes to Q3. So the new state over here will be combination of Q0, Q1 and Q3, right? And Q0, Q2 and Q3 on B goes to a combination of Q0, Q2 and Q3, right? So now then there is no state available which can be added to the present state or the current state column from the next state column of the DFA. So we'll stop over here. Now the final state over here will be the state which are formed by combining other state to the final state of the NFA. So the final state in NFA was Q3. So all the state that are formed by combining Q3 with other state will be the final state. So here Q0, Q1, Q3 and Q0, Q2, Q3 will be the final state marked by star. Now this is the equivalent DFA for the given NFA, and now this can be represented by renaming these states as PQRST as shown over here. So this table and this table represents the same deterministic finite automata. The only difference in these two is the naming convention. Here the state is named as Q0, Q0 Q1, Q0 Q2, Q0 Q1 Q3, Q0 Q2 Q3, whereas in this the states are named as P, Q, R, S and T. In the next class, we are going to look at minimization of finite automata or optimization of finite automata. Thank you.